Hi, I'm Mark Grice and today I'm going to be running through all the fault codes on the JM.
So with the JM motors, it's great for fault finding. So you have a red LED to indicate the power, and then you get a number of yellow flashing LEDs to indicate what stop circuit is activated. So you can see at the minute you've got 2, 3, 4 flashes, which means your safety brake cable is activated. So if I was to plug it back in, you'll see the yellow LED has disappeared. So you have one flash for your emergency stop button. As you'll see, you get a single yellow flash. You have 3 flashes if you get your emergency limit. The 2 flashes is if your thermal is activated, so if the motor is overheated. 5 flashes if your open relay is stuck in. 6 flashes if your closed relay is stuck in. And 7 flashes if you've got an issue with your push button station or you've got a constant signal. And on very rare occasions, if you get the yellow LED solid, it means your monitoring circuit of the contactor has welded in, and unfortunately that would need a replacement PCB. So I hope you found this video useful on the JM series motors. You can find more videos on our YouTube channel.